Do you have plans for that trip? Please tap on me. I will be there. I always want to jump on. I'll go. So this is a morning. In Arab, the morning was very cold. Cold. Yes, we traveled, but it was very cold. So that is Mabira. We're heading to Ginger, but it was very, very cold. We had fun in in the vehicle. People were dancing, vibing up. Yeah, it is what it is. Fun. Yeah. Work without play makes Priska a dull girl. So we had fun with other colleagues who are really hyping our moods. So, because it's after having fun, we had a stopover for chicken. People who travel to Jinja, you know that place in Mabere. So we had a stopover. People had to buy some drinks. But this bus we're using, I'll check the count, the chairs. Anyway, off to Jinja. Here we come to the bridge. So we're going so fast so that we catch up with the time at the beach. If you're following in my previous video, when we had a trip to Maxon Falls National Park, we went through River Nile, the other bridge for River Nile. Yeah, I hope if you haven't watched, you can please go back and check out. So this is the River Nile for the eastern part of Uganda, and the other one was for West Nile, so crossing to the northern Uganda. So this is the other part of the eastern Uganda. So River Nile is big. I went on having small clips recording, and guess what? Boom! Off that the tarmac road, and then we're this side. I had no idea where we're heading, but it was deep in the village, through plantations, through gardens, and when it started raining, we got stuck somewhere. It was a little bit hell, but yeah, here we are. We reached at the Banana Resort Beach. My energy was drained. Check the soil, the grounds were very wet. The place not to my expectation, but anyway, let's go through it. Hmm. Huh? Not me reaching at Banana Beach, Banana Resort Beach with a lasso on my head. Can you imagine? It's raining, it's drizzling. Anyway, the rain has reduced. I hope the weather will change a little bit. And there is the team that I came with. I don't want to show their faces. Oh, oh. Regardless, it is what it is. That's gorgeous. Here we are, here we are, here we are. You know what? A big thanks to the people that market this place, because the advert versus the what is on the ground. Okay, I decided to check on myself, trying to warm up. The weather was very cold, windy. I had to take some photos, took some, outfit check. I'm trying to warm up there. Of course I wanted to swim, but I end up not swimming. For some reasons I couldn't swim. I think it wasn't favorable for me. So that's how your girl looked like. Your girl looked like that mother of one. Let's go to the beach. So this is it. Apparently people are supposed to swim from here, and then there is a provision of a swimming pool. So this is the side of the beach. There is somewhere people are taking pictures, and this is the other side of the pool now. If you can't swim in the other water, you can swim here in the swimming pool. So I had to tour. However, I was told to leave my shoes, and I shouldn't step on the floor, on the swimming pool floor with my shoes. I think it's because it had rained, and they want to that in the swimming pool area. Yep, so that's the poll. But let me reserve my comment anyway. You try out, visit, have your own experience. But that's a poll, apparently still under construction, so a lot is coming up. Yeah, it's one swimming pool, I think for the adults only, and to swim in it's a small fare you pay, and then you go and swim. Yeah, but most people were enjoying it. The other side down at the beach. Yeah, so me, I had to take a small walk around the area and see what's really going on this side. Pool is still under construction, so the other side is still under construction here. So when you're here, you have a clear view of the other side. They have nice gardens. The place is very big, very spacious. They have cottages. You can, Anyway, let me not talk about it too much. I'm not paid to do this advert. Yeah. However, yeah, some nice cottages up there. I left my shoes here, so I had to, not to step on the pool floor with my shoes. Clear views. Small thing for TikTok. Small clip. Of course, I had to do that, I was a little bit bored. Of course, I got bored. We went in a group, but I was bored. I think I didn't mingle well with the others. Or maybe I didn't enjoy the other activities they were doing, so I had to cheer up myself anyways. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Please comment and tell me your experience if you have visited, and if you haven't, please try and visit. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting. I love you, my people. Thank you for supporting Priska's Diary. This fish was so big. I ate just a little bit. I even had to pack some. So, but the taste, the ketchup, the tomato sauce was so little. But anyway, the fish was yummy. A meal around the fireplace was thoughtful. It was so cold.